The 1% rule is simple. If a property rents for at least 1% of its purchase price per month, it passes the first filter. A $150,000 house that rents for $1,500 a month hits exactly 1%. A $200,000 duplex renting for $2,200 a month hits 1.1%. That is a pass. This is not a profitability guarantee, it is a speed filter. When you are scrolling through 50 listings on a Saturday morning, you need a way to skip the obvious losers fast. The 1% rule does that. Here is the math. Take the purchase price, or purchase price plus estimated rehab if it needs work. Multiply by 0.01. That is your minimum monthly rent target. If the market rent is below that number, move on. If it is above, keep analyzing. Example, you find a 3-bed, 2-bath in Memphis listed at $120,000. Comparable rentals in the neighborhood pull $1,150 a month. That is 1.04%. It passes the filter. You keep going with a full underwriting analysis. Another example, a condo in San Diego listed at $450,000. Market rent is $2,400 a month. That is 0.53%. It fails the 1% rule by a wide margin. In expensive coastal markets, almost nothing passes 1%. That does not mean the investment is bad. It means the 1% rule was not built for appreciation-heavy markets. The rule works best in B and C class neighborhoods in the Midwest and Southeast. Cities like Indianapolis, Kansas City, Cleveland, Birmingham, and Memphis regularly produce properties at or above 1%. Markets like Austin, Denver, and most of California almost never do. The origin of the rule is debated, but it became popular on BiggerPockets forums in the early 2010s as a quick and dirty way to filter deals before running full numbers. It replaced even older rules of thumb like the gross rent multiplier shortcut. Key point: the 1% rule says nothing about your actual cash flow. It ignores taxes, insurance, vacancy, maintenance, capex, and management fees. A property can pass 1% and still lose money every month if expenses are high enough. That is why it is a filter, not a final answer.